Yeah, hi YouTube. So what's up? I'm starting off the video late tonight. I'm going out right now, I'm going for a drink right nearby me right here. This is the shirt that I'm wearing. I was gonna wear the black Air Forces with this shirt and the pants, but I changed my mind last minute. I went for the brown Clarks. Yeah, I think it would be a fire fit with this shirt, I got drip just a little bit. I could have went for some of the newer shirts. These shirts, I've been at this shirt for about, I haven't really wear the shirt one time. But I'm just going for drinks. It's nothing special. It's not like I'm going on a date or nothing. Because my ear isn't done too, I don't want to wear none of my fresher fits too. So I'm out here. Should I wear my glasses? I like a sexy nigga in the glasses tonight. Take somebody girlfriend from him tonight. In the glasses. In the glasses. Ooh, daddy. Ooh. Let me know, baby. Holler at me on the IG. Let me know, sweetheart. Holler at me on the IG. I'm not going to tell your boyfriend if you won't. Bro, you see in life, I know a lot of people who make a lot of money. They have a lot of money and everything, but they're not rich. Because being rich is a mindset, is a mind thing. You know what I mean? Yeah. And I ditched the glasses, by the way, because it was obscuring my vision. I couldn't see properly in the glasses at night. Well, when I wear that glasses, I can't really see properly. There's a little thing over it where it kind of mess up your vision. And I'm not trying to get my vision messed up tonight because I'm trying to see some bitches tonight, if you know what I mean, So I'm not trying to mess up my vision. So I'm outside with it. Just gonna get a drink real quick. I'll carry the camera, vlog it a little bit. So you can see, or maybe I'll leave it in the car. I don't know yet. Yeah, so I'm outside with it at the ATM. I'm here to pick up some money, some blue notes, Or it could be orange notes. It could be some shares. I don't really discriminate, I don't discriminate against money. Money is my favorite thing in the world, to be honest. So I won't really discriminate, so. Yeah. Pick up some money real quick. Ready? You can't see nothing from there, can you? Touch screen, baby. You can't see nothing from here. Can you see anything from here? I'm picking up some money. I won't discriminate. Give me what you're giving me. I always do this, Put my card in my pocket and fall out in the car. Like a crazy person. It's a whole lot of money you got here, buddy. What you trying to do tonight? What you trying to do tonight, bro? That's a whole lot of money you got here, sir. What are you doing tonight? Want to come party with me? Let me know in the comments. Yeah, so I got some blue notes. And also got some orange looking ones, but I don't mind. I don't discriminate, I used to go to this gym. But I stopped because I wanted a training, so I started going to Spry. And Spry get me active more, get my muscles bigger and all of that. So if you wanna, I don't know, go to whichever gym that you wanna go to. I feel like even if I was continue to go to that gym, I would have seen results, but maybe not the same results that I'm seeing now at my current gym. But it is what it is. I'm back on the road, out here vlogging for you. It's a Rasta man party. Zoom up. It's a Rasta man party, bro. Yes, I'm gonna chill here for a bit. Yeah, I'm gonna chill here really quickly for a bit, I mean? Chill like a bit. Rasta man vibes. See? Just now. Roots wine pan the baseline. No, man. Yes, I'm back home now. It was a little live stage show thing that I was at just now. Maybe the other night, Wednesday night, there was like bigger artists there because that's where the traffic was. That's where the party was over here. That's where I went just now. It was a nice little Rasta man vibration and like a Rasta party, you know? My type of vibe. Kinda early still, but I come home, it's 10:19 now. I circled the block and I went to other places, but there was no vibe there. There was no vibe at Skydor. None of those places. It seems like it's early still. People don't really leave them yard them time. If we have fun, they normally leave like after 12, 11 o'clock, them time, them hours. So maybe I'm too early. I'm gonna chill a bit at home and then I'll go back outside tonight, but I'm not gonna carry the camera, so that's it for the night, alright? Make sure you leave a like, comment, subscribe. We're over here. Hey, good evening. On my way to the supermarket right now. You know what I was thinking about just now? These shoes. I pay $140 for them. Nothing special, it's just a gym shoes. It's just a gym type shoes for $140. I just realized how much $140 is really. That's 21,000 Jamaican. That's crazy. For one running shoes. That's ridiculous. On my way today. Oh my god, I'm going to the supermarket. Supermarket vibes. They big. Yeah. Hi, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Today's Monday, right now I'm heading to the gym. Today's leg day. Today's leg day at the gym. Right now I'm heading to the gym and I want to say real quick thank you for 250 subscribers. I know it might not look like it's much, but that's a whole lot of subscribers to me, you know. Yeah, imagine 250 people in one place. That's a lot of people. So thank you. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for the love and support. We're only going up from here. The content's only gonna get better, okay? I've been wanting to be a YouTuber since back in high school days when I used to watch Roman Atwood and all those other vloggers when I was in high school, you know. So I've been wanting to be a YouTuber and I'm doing it right now, so let's go. I'm going to the gym right now, alright? Jealousy never go in my mind, alright. Yes, I just finished the gym now. Today, what type of day was today? Today was mostly legs. It was full body day today because I did a lot of core exercises today and all that. I just did a measurement where I lost a lot of weight, you know. I was 180 and right now I'm 178, 2 pounds. That's a lot. I guess I lost that over the weekends due to the diet thing that I was doing, right? Yeah, and I even measure more now. Like, I checked my height just now, and I used to be 5'9". 5'9" is on my driver's license, but right now I'm 5'10", to be honest. And I asked the coach, why is that? He said that my back wasn't straight. And now the muscles and everything is now the muscles in my back and my hip and all of that is no more. So it straightened up my spine, and now I'm 5'10". So I grow an inch since going to the gym, so benefits a lot to go to the gym, you know. So start going to the gym, you might grow some, you might put on an inch or two, you never know. Hey, what's up vlog? Now I'm here. When I came back from the gym I fell asleep and now I'm up now. I wake up and then I cook and then now I'm just chilling. I remember when I got the Nintendo Switch, I thought I needed it and I bought it out here in Jamaica, so you know I paid a good amount of money for it, right? I played it for 2 weeks straight and now I don't even look at it no more. More of what I'm trying to say is sometimes you think you need something, bro. Like you need it, you can't do without it. And then when you get it, it's like, you know, it's there. Even my shoes, I remember I bought like 6 shoes and a whole lot of clothes back in Christmas season. And I didn't wear any of it as yet. And when I was buying it, you couldn't tell me that I didn't need it. You couldn't tell me that I didn't need it. But now I got it and I don't wear it. And that's what's crazy to me, you know? That sometimes we think we need something, but we don't really need it for real, you know? So I'm going to pay more attention to things that I don't really need and not rushing to get in them. Yeah, right now I'm going for a walk, so come on a walk with me. Going on the road. I like to stretch my legs. I'm doing that more often each night, you know? Yeah. Yeah, so I'm on the road with it. Don't be shy with it. Yeah, lately, that thing is making so much out of the stuff, alright. So lately I've been going to my bed late and it's been messing me up for real. Like, I didn't know it was so important. Even like I'm breaking out. I feel like there's some pimples on my face because I'm going to my bed late. I feel like I'm not getting enough sleep and that's causing a side effect, I think. Wake up late, you go to bed late, you wake up late, you don't get to start your day how you normally start your day. And it just messes you up, you know? Yeah. But there's an insurance company right here, like it just moved here. It's looking nice. Advantage General. There's a sign here. Maybe I'll get insurance with them. It's right near me. It's right near where I live, so maybe I'll get some insurance with them. Yeah, Advantage General. I'm just gonna take a walk, regular road, just walk, go to the top of the road and come back real quick. Yes, as I was saying, I feel like going to my bed like earlier. I feel like I was normally a 10 o'clock guy, you know. I normally go to my bed like 10 o'clock and I'm fully rested, fully healthy for the next day. But lately I've been going to my bed like some 2 a.m.s, you know, and then I get like, because when I go to my bed I gotta wake up like 7 o'clock, so I get like 5 hours sleep, and that's not enough. I feel like that's not enough, so that's the reason why I'm breaking out. That's the reason why whenever I come home from the gym, I want to get some sleep. I want to go back to sleep, you know. So I can't really get much done when I'm like that. So I need to be going to bed like early, 10 o'clock. The time is now, what time is it? Let me see what time is it real quick. Time is 8:28. So when I come back, I'm gonna go start saying my prayers and all of that to just go get some sleep, because I need to get up early, you know. Yeah, well, no, first I'm gonna put this video in so that I can post it tomorrow, because I gotta stay consistent, you know. Yeah, I'm gonna stop watching all those videos that I watch in the night time and all of that, you know. It's messing me up. I need to sleep. Got a photographer, like somebody to take my pictures. Places like over here and across the road over there would be nice. Would be really nice to take pictures. Even up at Crew Bar up there. Up there's Crew Bar. It would be really nice to take pictures, you know. Yeah. On this, you know, this camera is the best camera in the world for photography. It's not the best for videography. Yeah, most YouTubers use the Sony cameras for video because it's better for video, better in low light and all of that and stuff. But Canon made this, the R5, the Canon R5, to suit their photographers. So that's the thing. But it's still good enough for videos. And I like Canon more, you know, it's just personal preference. So I'm going for cameras. The lens on the Canon are better lenses. It's just the body. Canon need to like make a hybrid camera with videographers, with vloggers in mind. But they don't. They're not doing that as yet because they don't want to compete with their more higher end stuff like the movie cameras that they make, the cinema cameras. Yeah. They don't want to make cameras to compete because they want those ones to sell also. Yeah, that's what they're doing. But I'm out here just taking a night walk. You gotta stretch your legs, you know. Yeah, sometimes you come out here, you see some things. You might see a car you like, you know, and then you might get inspired to work hard and go buy that car. Oh, this is where I was sitting last time. Right here, next to this sign. What is this sign saying? Like the road is going in. Like this lane is straight, and then that lane it goes in, and it goes in right there. Like it's a 2-lane here, and then it turns into one lane. And that coming up On that side, it's a 1 lane, and then it turns into a 2 lane. Yeah, so it goes in. It goes in. Ooh, I just saw a nice Range Rover, a nice little red one. I wonder how much it is for a Range Rover. I would buy a Range Rover. You see what I'm talking about? When you come out, you see some things, and it might inspire you to get something. You know? Yeah. I'm trying to be inspired right now. Right now I'm sitting on the side of the road like a homeless person. That's crazy. I'm homeless. Can you please take me home with you? Please? I want to sleep in a warm bed tonight. Just chilling out here nice, bro. School out, spread your legs. Listen to the ambience of the traffic and the breeze and the music playing up there. Normal, yeah. Lately I've been losing sleep, thinking about the things that we should be. Lately I've been losing sleep, you know. I know maybe I'm getting older because I'm young, but I'm not that young. You know, I'm old, but I'm not that bold. I don't think the world is cold. We're just doing what we're told, to be honest. There's so much traffic on the road, and it's about 8:30 something now. So much traffic on the road, that's crazy. I want a model that I could practice my. I wish I had somebody right now to take their pictures so that I could, like a model or something, to practice my photography with. Right? I was wondering if I should go over there and take the Roseman picture. There's a guy there, he always trying to sell me roses. And I was telling him that I don't got nobody to buy no roses for, sir. Quit trying to sell me your roses. And he always quit. But that's his thing. That's what I'm trying to do now. I'm trying to get somebody that I feel like I want to buy a rose for. You know? Lately I've just been using girls as like just for sex, you know? Just as sex objects. I don't want to see women as sex objects no more. I'm not about that life no more. I want a girl that I can buy her some roses. Yeah. And write her some poems and all of that. Roses are red, baby. Violets are blue. There's no other girl I like the way I like you type of poem, type of nigga. You know what I mean? Think about like making like a poem, write songs about and all of that, you know? Yeah. Instead of just, hey, you want to come over? Let's bang. And then you got to leave. You can't spend the night. You know? Got to stop doing that. I got to find the right girl so that I can stop doing that. Tell them to leave. Yeah. I don't want to cuddle. Don't cuddle with me, sweetheart. Type of thing. But I'm just out here looking at the traffic go by. It's beautiful. And I first man I'm come taking picture. He's in the traffic trying to sell roses right now. That's crazy. There's a hotel right here. It's crazy. I never know there was a hotel right here. I never know it was a hotel for real. Back on my face. Yeah, so today when I was doing the measurement, I realized I'm 5'10" now. And I weigh 178 pounds. Over the weekends I feel like I was starving, bro. Eating what I was eating. I was eating fish, cabbage with some carrots in it, and then just water, and then eat some nuts. Eat some almond nuts, and I was feeling like I was starving. And another other trainer said that I shouldn't do that. I shouldn't do that. You know what I mean? If they said that 180 pounds was a good weight to have at my height, 5'10". Yes, I shouldn't try to diet and lose weight. Just eat what I want to eat healthy and just exercise. Yeah. And I was feeling like I was starving over the weekend too, to be honest. But it is what it is. I'm on the main road. I'm on Hope Road now. Look at the traffic. It's crazy out here, bro. I'm filming a movie. Just a little documentary. This car's going by. Crazy, bro. What's a gear? Cool off your brain. I know a little bit. Stretch your legs. Get out the house, bro. The vibe out here is weak, so I'm gonna head home and just prepare to go get some rest. Yeah, fuck it, all along. Yes, I'm gonna go get some rest right now. Wake up so that I could start my day early tomorrow. So that I can conquer the world tomorrow. Yeah, so I gotta sleep first. Really gotta get some sleep first. So that I could wake up tomorrow to conquer the world. World domination.